You got your sunglasses on? Oh, you look good. Did you paint your face today? In your hands? I think your sunglasses are on upside down, Ava.
I already go to the store.
You all ready to go to the store? Oh, they're still upside down. You need to flip them over. There you go. Oh, now you're ready to go. You look great. Get your purse. Oh, yep, gotta put Sophie in there. You gonna go to the store? What do you have to buy at the store?
I get all bye-bye.
Oh, okay. Okay. All right, well, you have a good day.